How to edit YouTube videos on mobile, phone only. No laptop, no problem. In this video, I'll show you how to edit YouTube videos using only your phone, step by step. This is perfect for new creators starting in 2026. Step 1. Choose the right editing app. First, install a mobile editing app. The best free options right now are CapCut, VN Editor, or InShot. Free and beginner-friendly. Available on Android and iPhone. For this tutorial, the steps are almost the same in all apps. Step 2. Import your clips. Open the app, create a new project, and import your video clips. Select main footage. Drag to timeline. Arrange clips in order. Start with your main talking clip, then add extras if needed. Step 3. Cut mistakes and silence. Tap on the clip and use the split or trim tool to remove mistakes. Cut long pauses. Remove moments. Keep video fast and clean. This alone makes your video feel more professional. Step 4. Fix audio on phone. Good audio matters more than fancy visuals. Increase voice volume. Add noise reduction. Add background music quietly. Keep music low. Your voice should always be clear. Step 5. Add text, effects, and simple transitions. Add simple text for titles or important points. Use clean fonts. Avoid too many effects. One transition style is enough. Simple edits work best on mobile. Step 6. Create thumbnail on phone. Pause on a good frame and screenshot it. Clear face. Big text. High contrast. You can design the thumbnail using Canva on your phone. Step 7. Export and upload to YouTube. Export your video in 1080p, 30 FPS, MP4 format. Then upload directly to YouTube, all from your phone. You don't need expensive gear to start YouTube. A phone, a free app, and consistency. That's enough. Like, subscribe, and comment if you want more mobile creator tips.